We went from a general cleaning and maintaining process to almost a full-time disinfecting process. So we are continually disinfecting throughout the day. When we're in disinfecting mode, basically we're applying a disinfectant either via spray bottles, electrostatic sprayers, wet microfiber towels, or wipes in some cases, where we're actually wetting down the surface to allow that disinfectant to do its purpose. We're allowing it to dry naturally if we can, as much as possible. That could be anywhere from 1 minute to 5 minutes to 10 minutes. At a minimum, we're doing a constant disinfecting in areas in which we know that there's a number of people, bathrooms, conference rooms, classrooms for our remote learning teachers. We're hitting those on a constant basis. All of our disinfectant chemicals, of which we have 3 or 4 different types, are on the EPA N-registered list. So everything that we are using for disinfecting has been certified by the EPA to neutralize or destroy the COVID virus. We've upgraded ventilation strategies in terms of running things longer, running with more outside air mix, and then replacing filters with higher efficiency filters. Our employees are doing a fantastic job, in some cases actually advocating for things above and beyond what our original ideas were. So we have our in-house staff is managing the process, ordering the materials, making sure their stocks are full, that we are not going to be caught by any particular shortage in terms of those critical items like filters, chemicals, and equipment. Because of the professionalism and the high quality of our staff, I'm very confident that we'll be able to address any issue as it comes up. We take this very seriously, that once our students do return, that we'll be caring for the students as much as anybody in the building. We're ready to deal with anything that's thrown our way. Our goal is to make sure that our students, our staff, and ourselves are healthy when they enter our buildings.